You've been posting shorts consistently for months, but every single upload stalls out at exactly 5,000 views. This specific plateau suggests a failure in your upload workflow rather than your creative content. Today, we are walking through the complete, updated process for uploading a YouTube short. We'll cover exactly how to optimize your hidden SEO, bypass platform limits to add custom thumbnails, and trigger the algorithm to find your specific audience. Step 1 is changing where you hit publish. If you are uploading from your desktop browser or the YouTube Studio app, stop. Open the native YouTube mobile app and tap the plus icon to start your upload there. The desktop interface strips crucial features. Uploading directly through the mobile app gives you a dense list of exclusive creator tools. You get access to the built-in sound library, filters, text editors, and importantly, the ability to select a specific frame for your thumbnail. Before you can leverage any advanced algorithmic strategies, you have to use the interface that actually provides the tools to execute them. The mobile app is where that happens. Once your video is loaded in the app, you hit the first major hurdle. Unlike long-form videos, YouTube does not natively allow you to upload a separate custom image file to use as a thumbnail for your shorts. To bypass this, you have to execute a specific workaround during your editing phase. Open your editing software, create a 9x16 canvas, and design your custom thumbnail. Then, export that image. Drop that exported image back into your video timeline and place it for exactly 1 second at either the absolute beginning or the absolute end of your video clip. Back in the mobile upload screen, tap the pencil icon over your video preview. This opens a timeline slider. Scrub that slider to the exact 1 second mark where you inserted your graphic and select it. By rendering a designed frame into the video file, you force the platform to accept your graphic. You can now produce the same highly clickable custom visuals that rival top-tier channels. While most views come from the automatic Shorts feed, your short will also surface on the homepage and in YouTube search. In those placements, the viewer uses the thumbnail to decide whether to click. Bypassing the native restriction to secure a custom visual gives you a massive advantage in converting those impressions. Next is the add sound feature. If you make a quiet, educational video, do not place a trending rap track over it and drop the volume to 0. The aggressive tone of that track completely contradicts your content, and viewers will immediately swipe away. Whenever you use a background sound, it acts as a metadata tag. It signals the algorithm to push your video to a specific cluster of viewers who have already shown interest in that sound. Choose an audio track that accurately matches your video's genre. Moving on to the caption, which functions as your video's title. For a short, you need to abandon standard SEO keyword stuffing in this field entirely. Instead, write a title that creates a curiosity gap. Rather than a boring, literal description like how to gain weight, use emotional triggers. Phrases like, most skinny guys ignore this, create a fear of missing out. This helped me gain 10 kg naturally targets a strong desire. Both leave the information incomplete, forcing the brain to click the video to find the answer. When writing these captions, remember the strict physical limit of mobile displays. Crucial context is lost after 35 characters, so place your most important attention-grabbing words at the very front. Selecting the right audio track builds algorithmic relevancy on the back end, but the curiosity gap in your title is what actually converts the human viewer. Before you finish the upload, set the video's visibility to unlisted. This allows you to complete your optimization before the video goes public. To find the exact minute to publish, open YouTube Studio and check your audience activity heat map. You are looking for the darkest purple blocks, which represent the exact hours when your channel's specific viewers are most active. Once you identify your peak time, schedule your short to go public exactly 1 hour before that block begins. This gives the algorithm enough time to index the video and start pushing it right as your audience logs on. While the video is unlisted, fill out the hidden description. Go to the regular YouTube search bar, type in your main topic, and harvest 10 to 15 autocomplete suggestions. Paste these localized terms directly into your description and tags. Next, scroll down to the Related Video option. Use this tool to attach a clickable link to one of your longer videos or a previous short. You might worry that viewers clicking the link will leave your short early, hurting its retention. By linking related content, you intentionally sacrifice an individual short's retention to maximize session watch time. YouTube rewards channels that keep users trapped on the platform, and this link is exactly how you do it. A perfectly optimized upload is worthless if you can't keep viewers engaged. In a short, you have exactly 3 seconds to hook them before they swipe away. Here are the frameworks to secure that attention. First is the climax hook. Show the absolute best scene immediately, but cut away just milliseconds before the payoff, so they must watch the entire video. Next is the contrarian hook. Start by directly attacking or contradicting a popular belief. You can also use targeted or fear-based hooks. Call out a specific demographic directly, or threaten them with missed opportunities if they don't watch. Then there's the authority hook, where you establish credibility by mentioning massive reading lists or thousands of hours of experience. Combine that with a time-sensitive hook, using a future year like 2026 to manufacture urgency. If your content is educational, try the abstract concept hook. Introduce a complex, unheard-of theory right at the start to force the viewer to stick around for the explanation. Alternatively, use the "Did you know" hook. Hitting the viewer with obscure historical trivia instantly breaks their standard scrolling pattern. Opening a video by asking if they knew Germany once attempted to legally claim Antarctica sets up an immediate mystery that requires context to solve. Finally, there are desire and listicle hooks. State exactly what the viewer wants and then offer a numbered list to achieve it. The human brain inherently craves structured information. Because shorts autoplay in a feed, viewers rarely read the title or see the thumbnail first. These psychological frameworks act as your verbal thumbnail, actively securing the 3 seconds of attention needed for the algorithm to register a view. Your short is fully optimized. You have forced a custom thumbnail, written a title with a strict curiosity gap, optimized your tags, linked a related video to maximize session time, and engineered a strong 3-second hook. The final, definitive action is simply pressing upload. From here, choose your next step. Click the video on the left to master how the algorithm actually distributes your content, or click the video on the right to harvest 8